Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how easy it is to make your own printable junk journal folio with pockets using this junk journal template set. This folio template set includes a cover with a fold-over section together with lots of different types of pockets, so you can create an unlimited number of folios by simply rearranging the layout of the pockets. Included are two styles, one with a vintage style border and one with a lined border for a clean edge finish. The files include PDF and PNG format, as well as a set of Canva frame templates. These folios are ideal to use as embellishments in your junk journals and can hold small clip art and other types of paper ephemera. To print using the PDF file, open the file and select the page you want to print. In the Print dialog box, make sure the page scaling option is set to None or similar wording depending on your software, so that the template prints at the correct size. Insert a sheet of printed paper or scrapbook paper into your printer, and then print the template page. To get started designing using the PNG format files, open one of the templates in your photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements, however you could also use Photoshop or Photopea, which is a free Photoshop alternative, or similar types of software. Add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. To add the digital paper, you can use the menu commands to select, copy and paste, or simply drag the image out of the frame and onto the document. You can design the pockets using one digital paper or multiple papers. When using multiple papers, you can position and resize them to fit within the individual elements on the template. If one of the papers overlaps the other, use a layer mask to hide the overlap. To use a layer mask, select the layer, then click the layer mask icon. Select a hard brush and make sure the opacity is set to 100%. Then select the color black and brush away the overlap. Once you've completed your designs, you can print the files directly from your software or save the files in JPEG format for printing at a later time. As well as designing in programs like Photoshop, you can also design the folio pages in Canva using the Canva frame templates. To get started, log into your Canva account. Then click the link to the Canva template. You can find the link in the document that's included with your download. When the browser page opens, click the View Template button. The templates include individual frames for each element, as well as a lined edge overlay and an overlay with a vintage style border. To upload your background paper files, you can use the Upload Files button and select the files from your desktop, or drag the files out of the folder and drop them onto the Canva editor. Drag the thumbnail onto the document until it snaps into place within the frame. If you need to adjust the background paper, double-click on it, then resize or move it into position, then click on the background of the editor when you're done. The vintage style border overlay and the lined overlay include the fold line guides. To use these overlays, click on the Position button on the top menu, then select the Layers tab. The two overlays are located underneath the frame layer. Select one of the overlays and move it to the top layer. To add a single background paper to a template that has multiple frames, click on the paper thumbnail to add it to the document. Use the Control key or Command key on your keyboard to prevent the paper from snapping into the frame sections. Then reposition it on the top left corner and stretch it out to fill the page. Click the Position button on the top menu and select the Layers panel. Then move one of the overlays to the top layer. To add background papers to the individual frames, drag the thumbnail onto the frame until it snaps into place. Once your designs are complete, download to your desktop. Click the Share button and then Download. Select File Type PDF Print and make sure to check Flatten PDF. Then click the Download button. Print each of the pages onto a sheet of cardstock and make sure to print a full-page design on the back of the folio cover. To make the folio cover, first crease the sections on the cover using the guidelines, then cut out all the pieces. Press the folio cover sections over using a bone folder to make a sharp crease. There are lots of different pockets that you can use to make different layouts, and these are just a few examples. You can attach the pockets to the inside or the outside of the folio cover, or both sides. To attach the pockets, apply some glue down both sides and the bottom edge of each pocket with a tape runner or a glue stick and press onto the cover.